Welcome to your quick medical news update for today. I'm your host, and we're covering some groundbreaking studies and essential health information you need to know. First up, a potential game changer for millions. Scientists have reportedly developed a highly accurate blood test to finally confirm chronic fatigue syndrome, or ME/CFS. This breakthrough could end years of doubt and misdiagnosis for patients by identifying the illness's specific biological signature in tiny DNA patterns. In heart health news, Boston researchers have linked something surprisingly common to increased cardiovascular risk: the glow from your bedroom at night. A study published on November 3rd found that nighttime artificial light exposure is tied to greater stress-related brain activity and inflamed arteries, suggesting light disruption impacts our body's stress responses. Moving to the brain, new research from Washington University suggests that Alzheimer's disease might be powered by a broken sleep-wake cycle, not just a symptom of it. Researchers found that the brain's circadian rhythms are significantly disrupted in key cell types, changing the timing of hundreds of genes. There's also exciting news for Parkinson's treatment. Duquesne, U.S. scientists unveiled BrainStem, a revolutionary single-cell map of the developing human brain. This detailed map of dopamine neurons offers crucial new insights for developing more effective treatments for the disease. And on the clinical front, the biotech company Inovio has completed the rolling submission for FDA accelerated approval of its DNA immunotherapy, INO-3107, to treat a rare HPV-related respiratory disease in adults. Compared with individuals who walk less than 5 minutes, those that walk 10 to 15 or 15 minutes or more had an 80% reduction in mortality. They had the same number of steps, they just did it in longer duration. Those that walked 10 or more minutes had about a 60% reduction in cardiovascular disease overall compared to those that did the same number of steps, but it did it in less than 5 minutes duration. MedPage Today. Vitamin B12. Total serum vitamin B12 is widely measured, but is often unhelpful. Most circulating B12 binds to haptocorrin and is biologically inactive. Holotranscobalamin is the active form bound to transcobalamin that cells can use and is a more accurate and *sensitive marker of B12 status than total serum B12 levels. It detects early deficiencies more reliably, including in older adults and during pregnancy. Medscape. Flax seeds. For their tiny size, flax seeds pack quite a punch against high blood sugar and cholesterol. They help fight the plaque buildup on artery walls that leads to heart disease, thanks to a nutrient called secoisolarisuresinol diglycoside, SDG. It can lower total cholesterol, especially the bad kind, LDL, while boosting the good kind, HDL. WebMD. Lipid profile. Total cholesterol levels provide only a broad indication of CV risk. Apolipoprotein B, low-density lipoprotein, LDL, and non-high-density lipoprotein, HDL, cholesterol provide clearer guidance. Apolipoprotein B quantifies the number of atherogenic fractions including LDL, very LDL, and intermediate density lipoprotein. Evidence shows stronger associations between apolipoprotein B and CV risk than with LDL or total cholesterol. Elevated apolipoprotein B levels are also correlated with markers of insulin resistance, such as increased fasting glucose levels and metabolic disorders. The apolipoprotein B to apolipoprotein AI ratio is considered a predictor of CV risk. Medscape. Creatinine has long been used to assess kidney function. However, its levels vary with muscle mass, age, and sex. A young, athletic adult may show high creatinine levels without kidney impairment, whereas a frail older person may show normal values despite reduced filtration. Cystatin C provides a clear indication because it is produced at a constant rate by all cells and is minimally influenced by muscle mass. Evidence shows that cystatin C-based estimates of the glomerular filtration rate detect early kidney damage more reliably and better predict the risk for cardiovascular, CV, events, mortality, and kidney disease. Clinicians should not rely on creatinine alone, as adding cystatin C provides a more accurate assessment of kidney function. Medscape. Finally, for those focused on diet, a study on time-restricted eating, that's intermittent fasting, suggests the metabolic benefits likely stem from simple calorie restriction rather than the timing of meals alone. Meal timing does shift circadian clocks, but didn't independently improve cardiometabolic health in the study. That's your medical news recap for today. Stay informed, stay healthy, and we'll catch you in the next update. Disclaimer: collected news. Please verify the facts before use.